Hey everyone, targeting consumers looking for a smartphone with a large display, lightweight design, and extended battery life, the Umidigi G9T is an affordable smartphone. First-time smartphone users, or those who desire a basic, functioning phone, can use it since it gives an acceptable option for basic everyday tasks at an appealing price point. The G9T is made to be lightweight and manageable, weighing only 189 grams and having a thin 7.9 millimeters thickness. Its sleek and contemporary appearance is enhanced by the textured surface of the rear panel, which deters stains and fingerprints. Grass green, galaxy black, galaxy blue, and galaxy white are among the colors that the phone comes in. The light reflective coating of the grass green version makes it stand out and gives it a distinctive look. Its ergonomics are improved by the flat edges and rounded corners, and its user-friendly design is enhanced by strategically positioned buttons and ports. It also has a single bottom speaker, a USB connector, and a 3.5 millimeters headphone jack. The Umidigi G9T's 6.75-inch IPS screen is one of its best characteristics. Although it lacks full HD images, its 1600 by 720 resolution offers a good enough viewing experience for daily activities like online browsing, watching videos, and utilizing apps. Smoother scrolling and transitions are guaranteed by the 90 Hz refresh rate, and the screen's 450 night brightness makes it possible to see well in a variety of lighting situations. Display is a standout for its price range despite its drawbacks. G9T's internal components include Umidigi T 606 chipset, 4 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. It can manage simple activities and run games at low detail settings, despite its limited performance and benchmarks reflecting its entry-level rank. Phone's near-stock Android 14 operating system offers a simple and uncluttered UI. A 13 megapixels primary camera and a 2 megapixels depth sensor are part of the device's dual camera arrangement at the back. The camera's performance is mediocre. It performs well in bright lighting, but poorly in dimly lit areas. While the front camera records at 720p, the rear camera can record at 1080p and 30 frames per second. For a phone in this price range, the photographic capabilities are in line with expectations. Because of its 5,000 mAh capacity, Umidigi G9T's battery life is still another advantage. With moderate use, the phone can last up to 2 days thanks to the energy-efficient Umidigi T 606 chipset. The bundled 10-watt charger can take longer to fully recharge the battery, even if it allows 18-watt charging. For consumers looking for a reasonably priced smartphone with a large screen and respectable performance for everyday chores, the Umidigi G9T offers a well-rounded product. Its lightweight design, long-lasting battery, and affordable pricing make it a great option for first-time users or those in need of a backup device, even though it lacks high-end capabilities like a full HD display or high-end cameras. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.